Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about a single V butt joint on an MS plate 10 mm thick in the overhead position 4G using the shielded metal arc welding process.
Objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to prepare the plate as per the size 150 mm length, 50 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Beweld plate with root gap and tack the weld joints. Clamp the tack welded plates in overhead welding positioner. Deposit root run, second run, third run. Clean the weldment with steel wire brush. Inspect weldment for any surface defects. Here is the list of tools and equipment required for the single V-butt joint on an MS plate 10 mm in overhead position 4G using shielded metal arc welding. Steel rule, scriber, prick punch, ball peen hammer, flat file, bench vise, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, electrode cable and earth cable, electrode holder, electrode, personal protective equipment, SMAW welding plant machine and their setup accessories, C-clamp. Let's explore the pre-welding preparations for a single V-butt joint on 10 mm thick MS plates in an overhead position using the shielded metal arc welding process. Wear protective clothing. Use plain goggles while grinding and filing. Take an MS plate of 200 mm length, 100 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Ensure the mild steel plate meets the correct specifications and quality. Inspect the plates for any surface defects or irregularities at the edges. Ensure the mild steel plate is clean and free from rust, dirt, grease or any contaminants. Apply a marking medium like chalk over the MS plate. Wait for a few minutes for the marking media to dry. Mark the length of the plate as 150 mm using a ruler and scriber. Mark the width of the plate as 50 mm using a ruler and scriber. Punch mark the lines using a prick punch and a hammer on the length measurement side. Do the same for the width side measurement. Secure the job on the bench vise. Check the hacksaw blade for sharpness. Ensure the correct blade size for the 10 mm MS plate. Begin the cutting process using a gas cutter. Set up the oxyacetylene cutting equipment for gas cutting the MS plate. Adjust the working pressure for oxygen. Adjust the working pressure for acetylene. Cut the plates using gas cutting to achieve the dimensions 150 mm length, 50 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Grind or file a 2 mm root face on each beveled edge. Thoroughly clean the pieces to be joined. Use spacers to maintain a 2.5 mm root gap. Set up the SMAW machine with a welding torch for tack welding. Use a 3.15 mm dia MS electrode for tack welding. Set the current to 110 amps for tack welding. Tack weld the plates at both ends with a 3 mm tack size. Inspect the tack weld for any defects. Let's examine the welding process for a single V-butt joint on an MS plate 10 mm thick in the overhead position 4G using shielded metal arc welding. Clamp the tack welded single V-butt joint in an overhead welding positioner. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment PPE such as welding gloves, a welding helmet with the proper shade of lens, and flame-resistant clothing. Inspect welding cables for any damage or exposed wires. Ensure that the welding machine is properly grounded. Check the welding torch for any defects. Ensure that the electrode is correctly positioned in the torch. Select a 3.15 mm dia MS electrode for welding the root run. Set the current to 110 amps for the root run. Keep the electrode as close as possible to the surface of the plate and at a slight angle to the direction of the weld. Position the electrode well up in the gap and control the keyhole to achieve a small reinforcement on the root side. Deposit the root run with a short arc and uniform welding speed to achieve consistent root penetration. Clean the weld bead with a steel wire brush. Use a 3.15 mm dia MS electrode for the second run. Set the current to 110 amps for the second run. Maintain the same electrode angle as for the root run. Deposit the second covering run with a weaving motion. Clean the weld bead with a steel wire brush. For the third run, use a 3.15 mm dia MS electrode. Set the current to 110 amps for the third run. Deposit the third covering run similar to the second run. Clean the weldment with a steel wire brush. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. We will explore the important points to follow for a single V-butt joint on 10 mm thick MS plates in an overhead position using the shielded metal arc welding process. Maintain a short arc length with a multi-layer approach. Avoid over-deposition and side undercut by using the proper angle and travel speed of the electrode. Use tongs to safely hold the hot workpiece. Prevent the upper edge of the plate from melting off. Wear chipping goggles for eye protection. Now, let's identify the defects that can be observed during the inspection process. Undercut. Cracks. Improper bead profile. Poor fusion. excess reinforcement.
Spatters.
In this topic, you have learned to prepare the plate to the size of 150 mm length, 50 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Bevel the plate with a root gap and tack the weld joints. Clamp the tack welded plates in an overhead welding positioner. Deposit the root run, second run and third run. Clean the weldment with a steel wire brush. Inspect the weldment for any surface defects.